To show hidden file on Windows 10, simply go to Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how you can show hidden file on Windows 10. So as you can see here guys, we have a file. Let's hide this one. Okay, as you can see now we have a hidden file. So I want to show this file. Simply in the top, go to View tab, as you can see. Then in the section Show Hide, select Hidden Items. As you can see, all hidden file appear. That's it guys. If you want to hide again, simply uncheck this item. That's it. It's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.